Can you imagine handing over the keys to your house, leaving town, and then coming home to this? That is exactly what happened on this project. Our client trusted us to install a new gas fireplace, a floor-to-ceiling media wall, complete with stacked stone, a new gas line, all venting, rehang their TV, all the audio-visual, all while they were away. Shot this video to show them what to expect when they get home. The client loved it. She said I had permission to share it with the rest of the world. Enjoy. The grand reveal. There it is. It came out gorgeous. Love how it goes with the furniture. Give you a side profile and show you a couple of features. We have 3 shutoffs here. Your key valve down there. Get you a better look at your mantle and your new fireplace. The pitting, weathered look. Looks very nice in here. An additional outlet down there. I know you're using a Roku TV, but I did run the Coax cable that came into the house, as well as the Ethernet. I know you're not using it, but it can be in the future should you decide to. So let me show you the outside. This was our workstation out here. We cleaned it all up. Everything's all cleaned off here. There is your termination. It matches your trim paint, all sealed up and painted. There is your new gas line. It is all painted, the penetration sealed. A shutoff out here as well, so you can isolate it from the fire pit. We did rebuild the entire pipe to the fire pit. The way it was designed to loosen it up at the union, it would have lifted up into your sill. Let's do one more look at it. Came out beautiful. I'm very proud of it. Hope you love it. We'll talk soon.